It's been a while since I helped my client purchase this beautiful home in Midtown Toronto. To be exact, it was a little over a year ago, in July 2023. If you recall, I made a video tour of this property and we are revisiting this home after an extensive renovation of over $300,000. Of course, I will leave the link to the past video of this home in the description below for you to compare. But in this video, it will be the walkthrough after the renovation and I hope you like it. Let's take a look right after this. Hey, welcome back to another video on the AV Team Real Estate channel. I'm Antonio and I am a local real estate agent in the GTA. If you have been enjoying the weekly video from this channel, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you can share with more people who want to get updated on the real estate market in Toronto. Greatly appreciate it. If you have any inquiries about the real estate, don't hesitate to contact me via the first link in the description down below. I wanted to get you an overview of this detached home that I helped the client purchase just a tad over a year ago. This renovation is basically from top to bottom. I would say the only thing that we didn't do was demolish the entire property, but that's probably it. The main transformation was on the main floor, where a new bathroom was added. The entire living room and kitchen layout were totally redone. Permission was needed and so on. For the second floor, everything was updated and we added an extra guest room in the basement as well. The electrical and mechanical rooms were all updated so that they could accommodate EV charging. The exterior was totally revamped, including digging out the old landscape and adding extra parking space in the front. New concrete stairs and a railway on the exterior were implemented as well. The renovation took over 6 to 8 months and most of the time was also spent getting the approval for permits. Without further ado, let's take a tour of the freshly renovated home at 136 Castlefield Avenue. Let's start with the new door that was replaced by the previous owner with a modern lock system and doorbell. Again, if you want to check out the before look of the house, the link to the video is in the description below. Let's first look at the family room. This is totally updated. You will know once you check the old video. Newly upgraded curtains, a beautiful modern chandelier, a new hardwood floor throughout, and all new ceiling pot lights. More obvious is the new modern fireplace with ceramic back. It just looks astonishing with the giant TV. Now let's move on to the back of the house where it used to be the dining table if you saw the old video. However, right now the big wall that was on the right side was demolished and the new layout looks so much more open with new light fixtures and pot lights throughout. This looked just so much better with the new hardwood floor. Compared to the previous design, the kitchen is now much more open. And the large marble floor looks luxurious with all the modern appliances. The pot lights along with the gorgeous matching lights look amazing with the new granite countertops and contemporary kitchen cabinets. Once more, this is one of the largest improvements from the previous design. Now onto the dining room with a matching dining table along with the luxurious marble floor. gorgeous double glass door to the backyard and large windows that draw tons of natural light. Another large TV with a huge TV stand with plenty of storage and a matching dining cabinet on the other side. Here is another change to the previous design, the added powder room with a sink and premium toilet. I encourage you to take a look at the previous state of this dining area. This is a huge upgrade over the previous design, and it definitely makes sense to add the extra powder room for guests as well. Now make our way to the backyard, where you can find another big upgrade, but first let's take a look at the gorgeous backyard. If you have a chance to take a look at this shed before the upgrade, you will notice that it was like a deserted and unfinished shed for storage. But now you are about to see a fully functional additional room that could be used as a room or even an office. There were new windows, hot lights, and finished walls and floors. This just simply looks amazing. Let's take a look at the back and the surrounding area of this remodeled shed once again. It was also freshly painted on the exterior. A new electrical was hooked up so that there was power for lights and a portable heater. It is totally functional room for guests or entertainment. There is also an additional storage room that fits quite a bit, perfect for storing large amounts of items that you don't use often. One thing worth mentioning is that the exterior of the house has been repainted and reworked on the upper deck of the extension. Little details like the lights were a welcome addition to this portion of the house. now make our way to the second floor. This is one part that you might not have noticed if I hadn't told you. The rails and the stairs were all redone, and there was once a closet on the main floor that was removed. This was part of the layout changes where the wall was also removed to accommodate the stairs going to the second floor. In my opinion, it was night and day compared to previously. The biggest upgrade on the second floor is that now all the ceiling lights are pot lights, and all the doors have been replaced with modern ones. Again, that was a big difference compared to the previously. And some layouts were also changed. On the right, we have the first bedroom. Currently, this bedroom is used as an office, and it is separated by a sliding door on the left. Presently, it is open, and the other side now has a queen-size bed and enough room for some dressers as well. As you can tell, it is freshly painted with new hardwood floors and little details such as the updated baseboards. Moving on to the bathroom, it is night and day compared with the old washroom. It looked quite old previously, but now it is updated with new upgraded blinds, a new sink, new lights with pot lights, and a modern black shower head and a new bathtub. Now make our way to the master bedroom. Previously, there was just some plumbing that was supposed to add another washroom, but it never did. Now it is remodeled with a walk-in closet or some kind of storage. Now let's move on to the newly added ensuite washroom in the master bedroom. This washroom has been added with a similar shower room, a premium toilet, sink, and cabinets. It is a welcome addition with a total of 2 washrooms now on the second floor. Finally, let's take a look at the basement, which has also been completely redone. Again, this is a new upgraded door to the basement. If you haven't noticed, there are new upgraded blinds on the windows. Previously, it was all carpeted and now it has a ceramic floor. Previously on the left, we had the second kitchen, but it was all removed and remodeled as a new mechanical room, laundry room, and the added laundry sink as well. Now this recreational room looks more luxurious, and there is a door to the front of the house. On the opposite side, we have a few dressers, but the old study room has now been converted into a bedroom that can fit a queen-size bed. The current owner decided to add a second fridge right beside the stairs. And straight ahead, we see the newly upgraded electrical panel. And there is also a sub panel as well. It has also upgraded the washroom with the new sinks and cabinets. They also added a new glass shower with a new shower head. Now let's make our way to the front of the house. There are some big upgrades that have been installed. Make sure to check out my previous video on this house and you will notice that the front of the house has been repainted and totally looks much more modern. The main obvious change was the landscape on the right side. Previously there was a lot of greenery that extended to the other side, but now it has been removed. This, of course, was needed for a permit that has been going on for months, and there was a lot of work to remove it all. It will soon have to be filled with a new landscape floor to house the additional parking space. Let's now talk about the entrance. Previously, it was some wooden old stair that led to the main door. This is not an easy job, but it was totally removed and dug, and new cement was poured. It took weeks for each stage to be built. The new glass premium rail was also installed, which makes it much more classy and luxurious. As you can see, the entire exterior has been refinished and painted. That to me made a huge difference. I hope you enjoyed the full transformation of this beautiful detached home in Yonge and Eglinton. If you do enjoy the tour, don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss any future video just like this. Additionally, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me using the first link in the description below. If you're interested in a project similar to this one and need advice and counsel on how to make a house into something unique just like this one. If you want to see how the house was before the total transformation, watch this right here. See ya.